After the recent law changes, the Greek golden visa just got a lot more expensive. 400,000 to 800,000 euros in the best areas. But what if I told you that there's still a legal way to get in for just 200,000 euros? I'm Matias Aguayo. I'm an investment migration advisor and head of Greece at Holborn Assets. We've helped thousands of clients secure second residencies worldwide. And today I'm revealing the one exception to Greece's new golden visa rules that almost nobody is talking about. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to access Greece Permanent Residency for 50,000 euros less than the official minimum, and why you need to act fast before these opportunities disappear. Let's dive in. At Holborn Assets, we're one of the largest players in investment migration worldwide. I personally advise many clients into the Greece Golden Visa program as I really think it is the best in Europe for pure residency purposes. And I've seen firsthand how the recent law changes have shifted how investors make their decisions today. The Greek government raised the minimum investment threshold to 800,000 euros in Athens, Thessaloniki, and the most popular islands. In other lower density areas, it's 400,000 euros for property over 120 square meters. But here's what most agents won't tell you. There is still a legal pathway at 250,000 euros, and with the right structure, you can lower your out-of-pocket capital to just 200,000 euros. If you're serious about securing a Plan B in Europe, hit that subscribe button right now. I share insider strategies like this every single week that can really help you out for these very important decisions. Alright, let's talk about the exception. Under the new Golden Visa law, you can still invest just 250,000 euros if you choose a specialized real estate projects, specifically commercial to residential conversion projects or restoration of listed buildings. These projects must already have approval for change of use from commercial to residential. That's the key requirement. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Most investors don't know that some of these 250k projects offer upfront returns. Let me explain this with a real example. Imagine a 250,000 euro compliant real estate project with a self-managed structure that pays a flat 4% return per year. Instead of receiving this 4% annually over time, the developer pays you the next 5 years of returns upfront. That's 10,000 euros per year times 5 years, which equals to 50,000 euros. You receive these 50,000 euros at the very start, before you made your Golden Visa application. Now you can reinvest these 50,000 euros back into the purchase price. This effectively lowers your out-of-pocket capital from 250,000 to 200,000 euros. You're waiving your returns for the next 5 years, but you are reducing your upfront investment by 50,000. And you still get full title deeds over the property. You still get Greece's permanent residency. Everything is 100% legal and compliant. Now, you might be wondering, will the Greek government accept this? The answer is yes, and here's why. The Greek Golden Visa program requires that you bring 250,000 euros from outside of Greece from your personal account and invest it into qualifying real estate. Greece does not care if part of that investment is an upfront return that you are reinvesting. Once that money is yours, you can do whatever you want with it. As long as the total investment into the property is 250,000 euros or more, and the funds originate from your personal account outside of Greece, you are fully compliant. If you want to access the exact projects that offer this structure, please scan the QR code on your screen. You'll be able to download our free Golden Visa guide and get exclusive access to all of our available projects, some with this upfront return structure. These opportunities are extremely limited, so don't wait. Let me be very clear about something. After the law changes, 250,000 euro commercial to residential conversion projects are scarce. Most of these projects sell out in early stages because there's a limited number of approved conversions. Investors are usually competing for the same inventory. And what about projects that pay upfront returns? They're even scarcer. I'm talking about a handful of developments across Greece that structure their deals this way. Once they're sold out, they're gone. If you're serious about securing the Greek Golden Visa at the lowest possible entry point, it is highly advised not to wait too long. Now, let me tell you why Greece is hands down the best Golden Visa program in Europe for pure residency purposes. First, permanent residency is obtained from day one. Your Greek Golden Visa gives you permanent residency status that is infinitely renewable every 5 years as long as you keep your investment. Second, zero minimum stay requirement. You don't need to live in Greece, you don't even need to visit Greece to maintain your residency status. The only requirement to renew every 5 years is to keep your qualifying investment. Think about that. You can live anywhere in the world and maintain your Greek residency. Third, family inclusion. Eligible dependents include your spouse or partner, children up to the age of 21, your parents, and your parents-in-law. This is one of the most generous family inclusion policies in Europe. Fourth, Schengen access. With Greek residency, you can freely travel within all 29 Schengen countries. That's visa-free access to most of Europe. Fifth, world-class public services. As a Greek resident, you get access to Greece's healthcare system, education, and infrastructure. Sixth, the investment upside. Greek real estate has strong potential for high returns and appreciation, especially if you're investing in up-and-coming areas. And last but not least, path to citizenship. After 7 years of physical residency in Greece, you are eligible to apply for Greek citizenship. That's an EU passport that allows you to relocate in any of the European Union member countries. This is effectively 27 passports in one. No other Golden Visa program in Europe offers this combination of benefits with zero stay requirements and via a real estate investment. If you want to work with us, we take care of absolutely everything. We help you find the best investment that matches your goals and budget. We handle all documentation, submission, and issuance. If you are applying via real estate, our service includes comprehensive guidance on real estate selection, due diligence on projects, property transfer, and ongoing property management. If you're ready to explore the Greek Golden Visa and want personalized guidance on the €200,000 entry strategy, scan the QR code on your screen right now to book a free one-on-one consultation with me. Here, we can review your specific situation, show you the available projects, and create a customized roadmap for your Greek residency. You can also find this booking link in the description below. Let me leave you with one final thought. Most clients seeking the Greek Golden Visa aim to do so through the minimum qualifying investment, €250,000 for specialized conversion projects. But remember, these conversion projects must already have approval for the change of use from commercial to residential to be eligible. For this reason, many Golden Visa investors end up competing for the limited number of approved conversion projects, and these projects usually sell out at very early stages. And the ones that offer upfront return mechanisms, they sell out even faster. If you wait too long, it's very likely that the best projects will be sold out. So, there you have it, the Greek Golden Visa exception that nobody tells you about. €200,000 out-of-pocket entry through upfront return reinvestment. If you found this video valuable, you'll probably like my complete Greece Golden Visa webinar, where I break down everything you need to know. Click the video on your screen right now to watch it. And remember, scan the QR code to download the Greece Golden Visa guide and access the available projects. You can also book a free call with me using this same QR. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you on our call.